I didn't think I needed another gimbal until I got my hands on this one. And honestly, it's different. Like someone is actually listened to what creators want and packed all those features in here. It works with everything: mirrorless cameras, phones, GoPros, even compact cams. Plus, it's small, light and feels really solid in your hand. The battery lasts up to 14 hours, so you can basically shoot all day without stressing about charging. It's got this 1.3 touchscreen right on the gimbal itself, so changing settings is super quick and easy. Just a couple taps and you're good to go. Now, the AI tracking is where it gets really interesting. It spins a full 360 degrees, tracks you from up to 18 meters away, and keeps your shot perfectly framed every time. I even shot some footage using it for my upcoming CapCut tutorial. It also has a new quick release system, a cooling phone holder, and a handle that attaches into a wireless remote for more control and creative angles. So, this is the FeiyuTech Scorp Mini 3 Pro. Let's open it up and see what's inside. FeiyuTech sent me their Scorp Mini Pro kit, and it's kinda impressive how much they've included. Right out of the box, there is a carbon fiber extension pole. It's lightweight, feels high quality, and works great for elevated or high-angle shots. It also comes with a nice carrying case. It's compact, protective, and everything fits perfectly. Makes it easy to travel with or just keep your gear organized. Inside, the Mini 3 Pro is safely packed, and you also get a fill light that attaches with an articulating gun. Great for adding a bit of light when you're filming indoors or in low light. You also get a tripod, which when combined with the extension pole becomes a surprisingly powerful tool for stable, hands-free shots, especially if you're filming solo. One of the coolest extras is the new smartphone holder with a built-in cooling fan. It keeps your phone cool, so your performance doesn't drop halfway through recording. You can also switch between vertical and horizontal shooting with just a twist. Perfect for jumping between cinematic YouTube shots and vertical reels or TikToks. And of course, they've included all the mounts and Type-C cables you need to get started, whether you're using a phone, action cam or a DSLR. Alright, that's what's in the box. Now let me show you how I actually use it to shoot my videos, especially when I'm filming alone for my tutorials. This is where it gets really fun. I like to shoot a lot of B-roll because it helps make my videos look more professional. This gimbal, it's super stable, so my footage stays smooth and shake-free. Everything just looks way more cinematic. When you're filming by yourself, AI tracking makes a big difference. The upgraded AI Tracking 4.0 gives you a wider tracking view with super fast response, and it can follow subjects up to 18 meters away. What's really cool is the 5 gesture controls, like you just do an OK sign to start recording, and other gestures let you snap photos, start or stop recording, all without touching the gimbal. That's super handy when you're filming solo. The 1.3-inch touchscreen is another great feature. It shows you exactly what's going on, and you can switch modes or tweak settings with just a tap. No need to mess around with apps. Also, the detachable remote handle is brilliant. It feels really comfortable, and you can use it as a wireless remote. Ideal if you're behind camera or playing with unique angles. For my tutorials, I also shoot still videos, like the clone effect I made recently. I just put the gimbal on the tripod, and whenever I want, I can reactivate AI tracking or use some of the other mods to capture cool B-roll. Another great feature is its 2 kg load capacity, perfect for using bigger cameras. There is this multifunction knob that makes controlling rotations and zooms super smooth and easy, and the battery lasts up to 14 hours, so you don't have to worry about charging mid-shoot. If you want to check this gimbal out or grab one for yourself, there is a link in the description. I actually tested the first Scorp Mini a couple of years ago, so you can watch that video too if you want some simple gimbal movement tips. Honestly, FeiyuTech did a great job here. This gimbal handles both phones and cameras effortlessly, which is super handy. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.